The choice between commerce and science in the 11th grade depends on your interest, aptitude, and future career goals. So, here are some reasons why you might choose commerce over science. Interest in business and finance. If you have a keen interest in subjects like economics, accountancy, finance, and business management, commerce can provide a strong foundation for pursuing a career in this field. Career opportunities. Commerce stream opens up a wide range of career opportunities in areas such as banking, finance, accounting, taxation, insurance, stock market, and business administration. If you have a passion for entrepreneurship or aspire to work in corporate sector, commerce can be a suitable choice for you. Maths and analytical skills. While science involves complex mathematical concepts, commerce also requires a good understanding of numbers and analytical skills. If you are working with numbers, analyzing data, and solving business-related problems, commerce can be a suitable option. Personal strength. While choosing any subject, you have to consider your personal strength and skill. If you have good communication skills, critical thinking abilities, and enjoy working with people, commerce subjects like business studies, economics, and communication skills can complement your strength. Flexibility and diverse field. Commerce stream provide flexibility, allowing you to explore more specialization within the field. You can choose subjects like accountancy, business studies, economics, computer application, or entrepreneurship based on your interest and career goals. However, it's important to note that choosing commerce over science doesn't necessarily limit your career options. Both streams offers diverse career paths, and you can pursue higher education in various fields even after completing commerce in 11th and 12th standard. But very important, consider researching and discussing with your parents, teachers, and career counselors to make an informed decision based on your individual aspirations and abilities.